Hey, did you get stuck on this creepy error? Don't worry, I got you. First search for the ffwsregister.dll on Google and click on the first link. Then click on the download. Once you download it, open the file and extract it. Then copy the DLL file and then go to the C drive, go to the Windows, find the System32, open it and paste your file here. Click on continue and that's all. Now if you open your app, the error should be fixed. Tell me in comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe the channel.